Hello, welcome to WPM Home. Today, let us show you how to set up WPM Home IR1 and IR Pro controller. Both setup method is the same, just the IR Pro is equipped with humidity and temperature sensor. First, download Tuya App from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app. Select Add button on the top right. Scroll down and select Others. Select Universal Remote Control. Press the button at the back of the controller for 5 seconds until the blue indicator starts blinking rapidly. Connect your Wi-Fi and enter the password. Remember to connect to 2.4G Wi-Fi instead of 5G Wi-Fi. Select Blink quickly. Then it will start to connect automatically. Once it's connected, rename your IR controller and select Done. There's another way to get your IR controller connect. Select Add button on the top right. Select Others. Select Universal Remote Control. Ensure that you are connected to 2.4G Wi-Fi. Long press the button behind IR controller until it is blinking rapidly. And then long press for another 5 seconds and it will start to blink slow. Select Next and select Blink Slowly. Select Smart Life or any other Wi-Fi connection that start with SL, then return to the Tuya app. Select Done. Up next, we will show you how to pair your home appliances with the controller. Select Add Remote Control and the type of home appliances. Enter the brand name. Select the brand name. Select next one when the button is not working. Repeat the step until you found the remote control that is compatible and make sure at least 3 buttons are working. Once you found a compatible remove, press select this one on the bottom left and you are good to go. What if the home appliances brand is not in the existing list? Here's the way. Open Tuya app, select the IR controller, then select Add Remote Control. Select DIY, scroll down and select Custom Type. Point the existing remove at the IR controller and press the button. Once you press, the IR controller will identify the signal of the button. Enter the name you would like to save the button as. Repeat the step until all keys have been saved. Once you are done, select Save on the bottom left. Test all keys to ensure they are in working condition and you are all set.